What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another review. This time we're going to be looking at hard drives versus SSD for the iPad Pro running iPadOs. Let's check them out. So I did a video about expandable memory, and I might have said that this was a hard drive. Okay, so I do have a hard drive right here. This is my passport. This is for the Mac. This is an old one. This is one I've been using since the dawn of my Mac journey, my Apple journey. And this is an SSD. SSD stands for solid state drive. HD stands for hard drive. Okay, they're both expandable memory. I got blasted in the comments. Oh, that's not a hard drive. That's an SSD. Everybody knows what these things are. They just add memory to your device, people. Okay, that's it. Let's be technical though. Hard drive, SSD. Now that we got that out of the way, let's make sure that they both work. For this test, I'm going to be using the Inotech USB Type-C hub. Now this is a great one because it has tons of features, tons of outlets on it. Mainly I'm looking for these two USB-A because I'm going to be running both of these through here. Okay, so we're back. I got everything hooked up. This is the hard drive right here. It's going to connect through USB Type-A. I'm going to plug that in. And my SSD is actually connected through USB Type-A as well. So here we go. Plugging both of these in. Got them plugged into the iPad. Now, mouse, where's my mouse? There we go. Mouse support is on deck. Here we go. I'm gonna go to Files. Clicking on Files. I'm going over here and I'm gonna pull this in so you can see right there. My passport for Mac, Samsung T5, right there. Both of those devices are on board. Both of them are working. Now, this is the actual My Passport. So I have this movie right here, and what I want to actually do is I'm going to take this movie, I'm going to select it, and I want to move this movie. So clicking on move right down here, move is going to ask me, where do you want to move it to? I want to move it to my iPad. And on my iPad, I'm going to make a new folder. So I got a keyboard over here. I just want to save that as movie, V-I-E, movie. Okay, I am done. And I will find that folder. And then I want to just copy it to that folder. So this is going directly from the hard drive over into my iPad. So it says it's copying onto the iPad. Now this is an older hard drive. It is actually running just straight up USB. And I think I got this even before USB 3.0 came out. So it may take it a little while to get it over into this device. Okay, so that project actually is taking way too long. Like I said, this device came out before USB 3.0, USB Type-C, all that. It's really old. It's gonna take it a while to send that over. But let's go over to the Samsung T5, the SSD. We know that this works, but I just wanna show you guys SSD. I'm clicking here. Got a movie. Let's see what I got over here. Let's do one that's over a gig. This is Bumblebee, and I'm gonna just click here, click here. I want to move Bumblebee over to my iPad right there. Put Bumblebee in movies, and I'm going to hit copy. As far as your larger files go, both of those were kind of like a bust. I had to start over. Larger files may either take a really long time or they probably won't even go over. I'm assuming they will take a really long time just because it was spinning. It was spinning, but it wasn't doing anything. But this is just a picture that I have. So picture should just go over in no time. On my iPad, I want to move that picture to my iPad, and I'm just going to use that same movie folder, and we're going to copy that picture, and it should just copy over into there. So we're going to go onto my iPad now, go there, and boom, there we go. jumped over in there, no problems. I can view it. Now, anything that is on these, I can actually go ahead and view the video. So you just click on that video itself and then you hit play, and there you go, you got it. So anything you want to view off of your hard drive or your SSD, you can do that. If you have pictures, you can do that as well. Now, if you have, I don't have any like real documents. Let's see. Yeah, I don't just have any documents to transfer, but if it will transfer videos, I mean, if it will transfer pictures, it'll transfer documents. On here, I don't have any documents either. But let's try to actually go and find a document on my iPad and see if we can send it over to the hard drive. So this is just something I use for work. I'm gonna move it, and I want to actually move that over to the T5. And I'm gonna copy it directly to the T5, and there it goes. It's right there. Now what I want to do is I want to take it from the T5 and I want to move it to the passport. So in the passport, I'm just gonna drop it off in there, and let's see. There it is again. So I moved it from the iPad to the SSD over to the passport. So files do work, pictures do work. It's just that your movies or anything are going to take a while if you want to download them directly to the iPad. But like I said, this is the passport. I'm on the passport right now. If I want to watch Black Panther, I click on it, comes up. So there we go. We got vibranium flying through. We all know what that is. This is Black Panther. This is the movie. I'm watching this directly from that hard drive itself. So anything that you have will stream. You can transfer files. You can transfer data. You can transfer pictures. Everything is going to work. It works with SSD as well as hard drive. So solid state drive as well as hard drive will work with iPadOs. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. I just wanted to clear some things up. Made a video last week about this, and some people had issues with me calling this a hard drive, which technically is not a hard drive. It's a SSD. I feel like I've cleared that up, and hopefully this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.